Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wedding insurance with Wedding Protector Plan step by step clearly. To begin configuring your wedding insurance with Wedding Protector Plan, visit their official website. Look for the Get a Quote option prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on that button to start the process. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about your wedding. Fill in details such as your wedding date, location, and the number of guests. Next, you'll need to select the type of coverage you want. Wedding Protector Plan offers various options including liability, cancellation, and damage coverage. Choose the combination of coverages that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selections, you will be directed to the pricing section. Here, you can review the estimated costs based on your chosen coverage options. After reviewing the prices, click on Continue to move to the next step. You'll then need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in all required fields including your name, email address, and phone number. After creating your account, log in to access your personalized dashboard. Review all the details you've entered for accuracy before proceeding. Make any necessary changes if something seems off. Once everything looks good, you can proceed to payment. Enter your payment details securely. After completing the transaction, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include your policy details and coverage information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. They can assist you with any additional inquiries or adjustments you may need. Your wedding insurance is now configured and ready to provide peace of mind for your special day. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.